meteorologist Jessica Leffel with the National Weather Service Phoenix, here with my colleague Jared Heil. Today we're going to be talking about the forecast through the weekend going into early next week.
Warming up across the area, we've been wondering when we're going to finally get that first taste of, mid to late spring weather. And it is coming with highs maybe approaching the century mark across parts of the lower deserts over the next several days to come. We'll break that down for you. We're also going to talk about the flooding situation on our area rivers, not because of any rain that's coming. We're just still running off all of that water we've received over the last month and a half.
Yep, so taking a look at our satellite imagery, you can see that we do have some passing high clouds moving through the region. And as they exit, we're going to see those dry conditions continue to prevail. And that's going to be also causing some changes in regards to our flooding.
So the Verde River flood warning downstream of Bartlett Lake is our first one we can finally say we're done with it. It's going to expire this evening, this Friday the 7th at 5 p.m. Those levels continue to drop below Bartlett Dam. However, we still have pretty high water levels along the Salt River from Stewart Mountain Dam through Granite Reef, Tempe Town Lake, and on downstream through Phoenix, all the way to the Gila River and beyond through Maricopa County. So those flood warnings do continue for the time being. Do not drive through flooded areas. Turn around, don't drown. And the main message at this point in time, Jessica, is if you're planning any recreational interests along the Salt River, let's hold off on that because the water levels are still too dangerous, too high.
Yep, absolutely. And looking more at our temperatures, we're going to see a gradual warming trend. It's actually going to be a pretty quick increase from where we're hitting our first 85 to actually potentially reading our first 100 of the year, potentially on Tuesday, looking like a 40% chance right now for the Phoenix metro area. With that, we want to remind everyone to make sure you're practicing heat safety procedures, as well as staying hydrated and keeping sunscreen on you. Even though you might see some clouds, don't allow that to trick you, and make sure that you're being safe in that heat.
It's amazing how much sun can get through the clouds here in the desert. You can still feel it on your skin even when it's mostly cloudy. So triple digits, hard to believe. Not that long ago, what was it, a few days ago, we had highs in the lower 60s and frost.
Right.
Outside the metro,
yep.
Less than a week later, 100 degrees.
Right.
That's spring for you in the desert. Over the next 7 days to come, we do have a weather system coming late in the week that may bring us some windy and cooler conditions by Thursday and Friday. But Jessica, take a look there. We are pretty dry over the next 7 days to come. So not much rain in the forecast. We'll keep you posted on all of the weather here across the desert southwest. The main concern at this point, staying cool as we heat things up over the next several days and still being mindful of our area river flooding. For Jessica, I'm meteorologist Jared Heil at the NWS Phoenix. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.